Welcome to Germantown High School. I'm the principal, Marvin Townsend. Thank you for spending this time with us this evening at Germantown. Germantown has over 100 years of tradition of excellence in academics, the arts, and athletics. We are an optional school, which includes the International Baccalaureate program, the Creative Arts and Performing Arts program. Germantown has many AP and honors classes which feed into our IB and Kappa programs. AP and honors classes can be selected by any non-IB student who meets the requirement entry scores. Feel free to walk around our campus and visit our academic departments tonight and meet our teachers. Check your program for locations. Our athletics and clubs will be located in the cafeteria. Our International Baccalaureate Coordinator will be located in M Building this evening lobby. Our Kappa Coordinator will be located in C lobby of C Building. Follow your program for locations and agenda of the activities for this evening. Again, thank you for coming to Germantown High School tonight, and we appreciate your interest. I look forward to seeing you on campus. Good night.
You're watching the award-winning GHS-TV, a nationally recognized student television station.
Good evening and welcome to a special edition of Red Devil Newsbeat. I'm Jemiah Chase.
And I'm Caitlin Poindexter. This evening, we are going to show highlights and events and newsworthy topics from this school year and share some fun facts and information about Germantown High.
Germantown High School is one of Shelby County Schools' optional schools. Students can apply to the International Baccalaureate or Creative and Fine Arts programs, both very rigorous and successful in their own rights.
Beyond that, Germantown High School offers more than a dozen college, career, and technical education pathways, giving students the opportunity to succeed after high school. Red Devil Newsbeat reporter Ty Washington and videographer Tanshia Show give you an inside look at 3 pathways.
For more than 20 years, the college, career, and technical educational classes at Germantown High School have been producing qualified, career-ready graduates.
CTE classes, they help you learn new things that you could present. Like if you want to get a job at a dealership or mechanic shop, you already have experience on what you need to do.
A reason for the success is the method of teaching.
My method is a little unique because I am class to hands-on.
It is not just theory that the students are studying, but they apply everything that they learn in their other classes.
3 of GHS's most popular CCTE classes are cosmetology, structural systems, and automotive maintenance and light repair.
The automotive industry is in dire need for qualified service technicians.
The MLR career pathway prepares students for entry into the automotive service industry with an ASC student certification from the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence.
If we can get basic service technicians into the field as others move up to become master technicians, we're filling a void that is needed.
I mean, who's going to work on our cars? It's either we pay for it or we could do it ourselves.
Flat up against this 2x4.
Likewise, the structural systems pathway gives students the knowledge and skills to work in residential and commercial construction.
Before joining this class, I have not had any prior experience in construction, but in doing this, it's opened my horizon.
One of the fastest growing industries in Tennessee is cosmetology. The course is offered to prepare students by not only teaching hair, skin, and nail techniques, they learn about the business side of the industry as well.
She teaches us how to be professional, and we always have to act as if we are actually in the workplace.
Students who complete these 3 courses say whether or not they pursue these careers after high school, they've learned skills that they can use for the rest of their lives.
You need it for basically everyday life. Say if something breaks in your house, and then you know how to fix it.
The pleasure that I get out of teaching this is seeing students have that light bulb moment when they come to understand things and have a sense of pleasure for themselves out of it.
Reporting for WMC Action News 5, I'm Ty Washington, News 101.
Every year, the theater department, which is part of the Creative Arts optional program, puts on 2 main stage productions and an original children's play. Last fall, audiences retreated to Little Shop of Horrors. The show, based on the popular movie, was completely student-produced. From set design to the costumes, the students did it all. Red Devil Newsbeat reporter Jessica Lee and videographer Denham Henderson give us a behind-the-scenes look at the production.
Greed.
Audrey 2's everywhere.
Blood.
Terrific and also horrifying.
Most importantly, it is very exciting and fun.
It's about Seymour Krelborn, and he finds a mysterious plant. This plant's a lot different than your regular Venus flytrap because it likes to eat blood.
I'll give you a few drops.
Once that happens, the plant begins to grow and grow and grow, and Krelborn finds out that it's the blood that made him do this, so he has to find bodies and kill people.
Really, the message behind the show is how much we're willing to do in order to be successful.
I've always wanted to direct this show. It's one of my favorite musicals.
It's so over the top, and it's so funny, and you want to laugh.
It's a fusion of all sorts of different genres. The three urchins that really carry the show, that they sing in a gospel sort of bluesy style. There's a lot of R&B themes.
If you want a rationale, it isn't very hard to see.
Just this whole amalgamation of musical genres, which in the 1980s was very exciting.
You have so many things going on at once. You have the technical aspect of the puppets, you have all the dancing, all the singing.
For sure that this year was like a perfect year to do Little Shop of Horrors because we have a great group of seniors.
Being a part of this show as well as the PPP has taught me how to work with others, how to communicate, and how to be able to face challenges.
Now spit!
We really approach this as a professional working environment, and that I think is something that has been in the tradition of the Popper Pike Playhouse for 44 years.
October 31st is definitely the best date to open Little Shop of Horrors.
Yes, it's suspenseful. Yes, it keeps you on the edge of your seat, but there's lighthearted, funny scenes throughout it.
Please don't make me sick. Mushnet and salt.
What more would you want in terms of a Halloween evening?
Will you live to tell the tale? Feed me.
PPP audiences will have the chance to see another PPP musical next month when Shrek the Musical hits the Playhouse stage. This hilarious show featuring all of your favorite Shrek characters opens February 20th and it runs through March 7th. Get your tickets today by visiting ppp.org or call 755-7775.
Basketball season is well underway here at GHS. Members of the team actually started preparing for the season over the summer. I, along with videographer Alexander Drown, got an inside look at the high school summer basketball league and the benefits players get out of it.
Summer basketball in the city of Memphis is one of the best things in the world.
While most students were having fun in the sun, these GHS athletes spent their summer pounding the court as part of the Summer Basketball League.
The goal of the Summer Basketball League is essentially just to figure out what we can do through the year.
In the month of June, we get to pick out 10 different days, and we play teams from across the state. We can travel, but we get 10 days that we get to play.
It's very hard working, it's a grind, you have to be prepared for the everyday work.
From weightlifting to team exercises, players in the Summer League were constantly moving.
Going home, being sore, but it's still fun regardless.
If you slack off, these other guys are going to catch up to you.
You gotta want it. If you don't want it, then it's just not for you.
Not only does the Summer Basketball League keep players active during the summer, it also prepares them for the upcoming season.
What we're really trying to do is build this group of guys and to see what roles they'll fill in the fall, what chemistry they can build together, so then we can set a groundwork to build for the future season.
You use the summer as a practice to try different things, run a few different things, understand what you do well, what you don't do well, and what it is that you can actually accomplish throughout the year.
Coach Lanter leads the way as the Summer Basketball League strengthens player skills for the regular season.
My IQ for the game has grown a lot, and playing it up and down with my teammates, trying different things each and every day, it has really helped me a lot.
And builds relationships that will last a lifetime.
My relationship with coach is really good. Like, I remember one time after practice said, if you have anything to talk about, you can talk to me. So it's cool to have a coach like that.
I love this team, I love the coach staff, my teammates, and it's a very good experience.
Reporting for WMC Action News 5, I'm Caitlin Poindexter, News 101.
Thank you for watching this special edition of Red Devil Newsbeat. If you would like to see more of our work, follow GHS-TV on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram.
And you can learn more about our program at ghstv.org and ghskappa.com. We'd also like to invite you to take a tour of our studio while you are on campus this evening. You can find us in V Building.
Enjoy your time here at GHS. We hope to see you again in the fall. In the meantime, we wish you a good night.